All right, so we are continuing with protein here. We're going to try to figure out like how much protein I really need. I know there's a lot of theories out there, but we're going to get into some of the methodology in terms of determining that. So the first thing that we're going to discuss is the method or method one, or the first method, which is the balance of macronutrients, right? We've already seen this, we've discussed it, right? We're looking at 55% of our diet coming from carbs, 30% from fat, 15 from protein. I just use some simple numbers there. Obviously, there's some ranges there, and depending upon like what it is your goals are, that can vary as well, right? But these are in general what we're looking at. So how do I determine like how many grams of protein? Well, one, I'm going to kind of have to know how many calories I need to maintain my current status, my current build. Obviously, there's some energy factors built into there. So this is, like I said, very simple if you're just have a baseline in terms of like what you eat, right? And so what we're going to look at is, or we're going to base this on a 2,000 calorie diet, right? Obviously, if your calorie intake is more, it's going to start instead of 2,000, and we'll say 2,200, 2,500, whatever it might be, right? So we're going to take that 2,000, we're going to multiply it by 15%, right? That gives us 300 calories, right? So 300 calories is 15% of a 2,000 calorie diet. We are going to take that 300, right, and we're going to divide it by 4. And we know that number 4, right, is because the caloric density of protein is 4 calories per gram, right? And we know that the caloric density of protein is also, carbohydrates is also 4 calories per gram, and fat is 9 calories per gram. So we know with protein it's 4 calories per gram. So we take that 300, divide it by 4. That gives us 75 grams of protein. That's per day, right? So I need to ingest 75 per day if I have a 2,000 calorie diet, right? Obviously, you can do the math and figure that out if your total caloric intake is higher, or you can change the percentage or, raise it, lower it, depending on what your needs are. All right, thank you.